Harrison Hot Springs. I love to explore there. The lake is just so beautiful. Well, today's adventure was a little bit different. Check it out. That lake is just so clear, just so smooth. You never know what you're going to see up in those back roads. They are logging roads. Look at that view. The water is just so clear and so fresh. Then things turned a little bit different. See, I like to explore the back roads. The roads that are a little, harder to get to. This one seemed okay. It was a little rough, so less cars, less traveled. It's just a puddle until we hit the puddle and the water went over the hood of my truck. We quickly backed out of there to not flood the engine or to do any damage. So what do you do after a stressful trip like that? You clean your truck. And that's what I did. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe for more stuff like this. Let's have some fun. Let's get out there and adventure. It's in all of us.